Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Acura RDX. First, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle. Next, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, simply push the engine start/stop button located on your dashboard. Your Acura RDX should now be running smoothly. This easy method gets you on the road quickly and efficiently every time you drive. For added convenience, you can use the remote start feature. Stand within approximately 50 feet of your Acura RDX. First, press the lock button on your key fob. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button for about 2 seconds. Your engine will start and the climate control will activate, preparing your car for your arrival. If your Acura RDX doesn't start, consider a few troubleshooting steps. First, confirm the transmission is securely in park or neutral. A common issue is a low key fob battery, which can prevent the car from recognizing the fob. Also, make sure you are fully depressing the brake pedal before pressing the start button. Maintaining your key fob battery is crucial for reliable starting. A weak battery can lead to intermittent starting problems. When it's time for a replacement, you'll typically need a CR 2032 coin cell battery. Your Acura RDX owner's manual contains detailed instructions for safely replacing the battery, ensuring your car starts every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.